Before a customer even interacts with your staff, they judge your business by its exterior. Conversely, a dirty or unkempt facade can deter passerby and cause them to question the quality of your products or service. Sparkling windows, clean entryways, and pressure-washed walkways signal that your business is open, professional, and care about its customers. When a customer feels a business invests in its own presentation, it builds immediate trust, encourages shoppers to walk through the doors, and transform casual browsers into repeat customers.